छात्र आते थे।
ओके। कोई ऐसा फ्रेंड था जो उस टाइम पे साथ में था कॉलेज में एंड वो भी एंडेड अप बिकमिंग सम स्टॉलवर्ड इन सम फील्ड?
बहुत कितने तो कॉलेज के फ्रेंड्स आगे जाके they've been very eminent
पर्सनालिटीज इन द
personalities in the country.
जो साथ में थे
So I'll
कॉलेज?
tell you, for instance, Mr. Arvind Subramaniam, who was with me in we were batchmates in St. Stephen's College.
Nice.
And he's become such an eminent person. He became principal economic advisor to the Prime Minister. He's a very distinguished professor. Uske alawa, we had I had another good friend who became Secretary to the Government of India, KP Krishnan. अभिषेक मनु सिंह भी तो पॉलिटिक्स में हैं. हम साथ साथ पढ़ते थे. Quite a few people, who they've become CEOs. Ajay Pal Singh Banga, जो अभी वर्ल्ड बैंक के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, हम एक साथ पढ़ते थे सेंट स्टीफेंस कॉलेज में.
Nice.
So
what was there in that batch? Tell me. एक वर्ल्ड बैंक, एक प्रिंसिपल एडवाइजर, एक सेक्रेटरी, एक CGI, क्या था उस बैच में? ऐसा
पता नहीं मुझे.
What did you guys study in it?
हमारे लॉ कॉलेज में जो बैच था उसमें 1-2 सेक्शन से हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कुल मिला के 12-13 लोग जज बन गए ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट और ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट.
Wow. From that
one batch. सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हम 3 थे. मेरे अलावा जस्टिस संजय किशन कौल, जस्टिस ऋषिकेश रॉय, जस्टिस रविंद्र भट्ट. एक बैच से हम उस समय 4 लोग.
Wow. Well, if you had to point it out to some reason, कोई एक reason जिसकी वजह से every one of you killed it in life.
I think, Delhi University really was inspirational.
Okay. At that
time. And we were really inspired by the teachers who taught us. And Delhi University had this tradition, when I was studying for my BA in economics at St. Stephen's College, it was a public policy course, essentially. Even then, we had some brilliant young teachers. Some of them later on became ambassadors of India. They joined the foreign service.
Wow.
तो उस समय पढ़ाते थे, waiting for their civil service results. Somebody became a chief justice of the High Court later on, as Justice Badr Durraiz Ahmed. He became judge of the Delhi High Court and then became chief justice of Jammu and Kashmir High Court. So when we went to law college, the teachers, were of a public law background. Maybe because Delhi is the capital, so great emphasis on public